Hey pearls, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing a hot oil treatment. I haven't done one in forever, and I'm going to be using the Kevil Fusion Oil and the Jackie's oil. So if you guys don't already know, I've actually done a review on the Kevil Fusion Oil a few years back, so you can check out that video if you're interested. So I'm just basically doing a quick hot oil treatment. Winter's around the corner, so I just figured this might be a good time to do a hot oil treatment. So I started off in small sections, manageable sections, and this is basically the oil that I'm using. You guys can use any oil that you want, use any oil that you have, and that should work fine. So I just apply the oil to my roots and then I massage that in, and I also apply it to like the length of my hair, and I just also work that into my hair, and I detangle a bit more if I feel that I need to, and then I just twist up that section. So that's pretty much all I do. I apply the oil, massage, work the oil into my hair, and then massage some more, and then twist the hair up. That's all I do for each sections. You guys don't if you find castor oil too heavy for you, you don't have to use castor oil, because this fusion oil is pretty much mostly castor oil, and there's argan oil, there's peppermint oil, there's a whole lot of good oils in there. But then the one thing you need to bear in mind is that because this oil has peppermint and rosemary and tea tree and those kind of oils, you need to be careful when you are washing this out of your hair, because let me tell you, like when I was washing this out of my hair in the shower, I couldn't open my eyes because the peppermint, in the oil, some of it entered my eyes like when I was washing it out of my hair. So it will definitely be a bit of a challenge to try and wash this out of your hair without getting it in your eye. So I'm warning you guys now. I'm letting you know. Don't say I didn't tell you. It will be a bit of a mission to wash it out of your hair because of the peppermint inside this oil mixture. So just be careful, okay? So yeah, that's really the only issue. Oh, and the other thing is the oil doesn't smell that great. Like, it doesn't really smell great. So, but the thing is, you're gonna shampoo and condition it out anyway. But if you like using it in your hair like during the week and you're leaving it in your hair, it doesn't smell the best. So you might want to like top it off with another oil that smells nice and florally and fruity, just to mask the smell of this fusion oil, because it's not great. It's really not great. So yeah, that's the other thing. And that's the reason I decided to like go in with the Jackie's oil, because this one smells really, really nice. It smells fruity, and it also kind of reminds me of the African Pride hair growth oil. It smells similar to that, or at least it reminds me of that. So the only reason I went in with the Jackie's one was to try to mask the smell, but it doesn't really matter because I was going to wash and condition my hair afterwards. So yeah, maybe if I was using it like during the week, then I'll also go in with the Jackie's. But then if you're just gonna wash it out and shampoo it out, no one's gonna be able to smell that is still in your hair. So yeah, anyway, and I decided to use heat. Basically I decided to use a hair dryer and not just like let the mixture sit in my hair for like 1 hour, So just to speed up the process, and I got this portable hooded dryer from AliExpress. It took forever to come, guys. I thought it was never gonna come. I just let it go. I had prepared myself mentally that it's not coming, but it did eventually. And yeah, I'm happy with my purchase, and it works well for what I need it for. And yeah, so basically, as you guys saw on my timer, I had 15 minutes, but I didn't have the dryer on for the full 15 minutes. It was on for like 5 to 10 minutes, so I was basically taking breaks, and I was also alternating between the cool and the lowest setting, which was the 1. So yeah guys, and this is basically what my hair looks like after, you know, the oil treatment. As you can see for yourself, results don't lie. My hair looks good. It looks nice and healthy and a bit shiny. And yeah, and then afterwards I went and I washed out this mixture. That was, you know, that's basically where the issues are gonna start, with the whole peppermint getting in your eye. I don't know how you guys are gonna avoid getting this in your eyes, but yeah. I used my Husk shampoo and I used the Maui conditioner, and my hair felt nice and soft and moisturized. And yeah, I'm happy with my hot oil treatment, and that is all. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.